when you go over 50% tax rates, people just stop working so much, right? I mean, you have to take that into account when you look at raising taxes, because as a